Mark Roscoe Dewey, Pennaeth Gwasanaethau Caffael. Mark Roscoe, Director of Procurement for NHS Wales Shared Service Partnership. The Priority Supplier Programme is a new exciting initiative which NHS Wales has developed in partnership with Oxygen Finance to drive further efficiencies in our wider P2P programme, but also to help incentivise suppliers to get paid early and bring financial benefit to the NHS. The NHS has decided to introduce the Priority Supplier Programme for a number of reasons. As a supplier to the NHS, you will be acutely aware of the significant financial pressures that we face. The opportunities to drive savings and efficiencies continue to be taken at every opportunity. At the same time, the issues that we're facing are continuing to raise a number of challenges for us, and as suppliers to the programme, we're looking to work with you on a number of areas. It's certainly been the case that prior to the creation of shared services, the trusts and health boards in Wales had different approaches and different programmes, and we're certainly looking to standardise these as we move forward with the wider improvements in our P2P processes. The key features of the programme are that you, the supplier working with us, can get paid sooner than the 30 days that would normally be part of our standard terms and conditions of payment. At the same time, we're looking to improve our working relationship with you and also bring some new technology which will help improve the wider P2P processes. The benefits to you as a supplier to signing up to the programme come in a number of ways. The first and most obvious point is an improvement in the overall cash flow, which, as we know, is the biggest criticism of organisations. There's also the development of the relationship with the supplier, both in terms of our accounts payable and your accounts receivable teams, so that we develop a process of collectively working together across the whole process, that invoices coming into the system via whichever mechanism that is are actually working in a flow and controlled way that don't require continual chasing and action. The dedicated contacts within our team will also help to reduce the cost associated with any rework and collection of monies due to you. The early payment process will follow the existing way that we work with suppliers. So you will be putting an invoice into the system in exactly the same way as you do currently via whichever one of our processes you're currently using. We will then prioritise that, and the flow of that invoice through the system will be accelerated to reflect the agreement that we have reached with you. We effectively have a dynamic rebate process which is hands-free. The payment will be made in accordance with whichever the terms we've agreed with you, and a debit note issued accordingly. Ultimately, at the end of the day, if we don't pay you early, we won't receive a rebate. Importantly, we've constructed the programme so that there are no sign-up fees associated with it whatsoever. There's no hidden costs, and the benefit from the programme directly flows back into frontline services. For suppliers to sign up to the programme, it's really easy. You can go onto the microsite and just simply click on sign up. Alternatively, you can contact one of our advisors.